Good morning, students. Last day we have done exercise 6.2 and today I am going to explain you one very important theorem. This theorem are so important that in every examination these theorems are maximum chance to come in your examination. That is theorem number 6.7. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Already you know, sum of the three angles of a triangle, any types of the triangle is 180 degree. And today, mathematically, we'll prove it. Let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. What you have to prove? Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. To prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. First of all, you have to do a construction for that. Construction. From the A, we draw a line through the point A, suppose DE. This line DE will draw in such a way so that it will be parallel to BC. Then statement you write, draw a line DE through the vertex also you can write, through the point also you can write, through the point A such that DE will be parallel to BC. Now proof will start. Before starting to the proof, let us mark the angle, then it will be more easy. This is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Give the symbol of the angle also. Proof. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. You see, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because D is parallel to BC. So these two angles are alternate angle. You write alternate angle. Alternate angle. Make it equation number 1. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Look at to the figure. Angle 3 and angle 5. Again, D is parallel to BC. So these two angles are alternate angle. We write is alternate angle. Make it equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, or adding equation 1 and 2 also you can write, then it will be more easy. Instead of from, you can write adding equation 1 and 2 also. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. Left hand side we have added and right hand side we have added. 2 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 5. Now add angle 1 in both sides. Angle 1 in both sides you add. So it will be angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5. Both the side angle 1 I have added. But angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. 4 plus 1 plus 5, 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? Because it is a straight angle. Sum of all the angles are on a same straight line. And since angle 4 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now you give the vertex name. Angle 1 means angle A, 2 means angle B, and 3 means angle C is equal to 180 degree. Proved. So today your homework is revise theorem number 6.7 2 times. Thank you.